Assalamu Alaikum, dear viewers. Have you ever felt like life's challenges are too heavy to bear? That no matter how much you pray, nothing seems to change? If so, you're not alone. Every one of us faces struggles, some visible, some hidden deep in our hearts. But here's a comforting truth. Allah sees your pain, He knows your struggles, and He has a plan for you. Sometimes it feels like relief is far away, like your prayers are unanswered. But that's not the whole story. Allah is working behind the scenes, preparing something far greater than you can imagine. Every tear, every sigh, every moment of patience is being noticed and will bring reward. In this video, we'll explore how Allah replaces your pain with peace, why waiting is a part of His plan, and how trusting Him can transform your life. Stay with us. You don't want to miss this reminder of hope. 1. Life is full of trials and hardships. Life is a journey filled with ups and downs, and no one is exempt from facing difficulties. From small daily challenges to major life-altering events, everyone experiences moments of pain, disappointment, and uncertainty. These trials may come in different forms: loss of a loved one, financial struggles, health issues, broken relationships, or emotional setbacks. Each person's path is unique, but the common thread is that hardship touches us all at some point. The purpose of these challenges is not to break us, but to test our resilience, patience, and faith. Difficulties often reveal aspects of our character that remain hidden during smooth times. They push us to reflect on our lives, seek support, and strengthen our connection with Allah. Through trials, we learn empathy for others, develop gratitude for small blessings, and gain a deeper understanding of the temporary nature of worldly life. Even though hardships feel overwhelming in the moment, they are part of a larger plan. Recognizing that struggle is a natural part of life allows us to face challenges with courage, knowing that growth and wisdom often emerge from the toughest seasons. 2. Allah is aware of your struggles. One of the most comforting truths in life is that Allah is fully aware of everything we endure, every tear that falls, every sigh that escapes in silence, and every unspoken worry is seen and known by Him. Unlike humans who may overlook our pain or fail to understand our struggles, Allah's awareness is complete and perfect. He knows not only the outward challenges we face, but also the inner battles of the heart and mind. This awareness is not just passive observation, it carries immense mercy and wisdom. Allah's knowledge means that nothing is meaningless. Every hardship has significance, even if we cannot understand it at the moment. He is watching over us, guiding us through trials in ways we may not immediately perceive. This should inspire comfort and trust, knowing that we are never alone, even in our loneliest moments. Understanding that Allah is aware also encourages sincerity in our prayers and patience in our actions. When we turn to Him with our struggles, we are not asking blindly. We are confiding in the One who knows exactly what we need and when we need it. This realization can bring profound peace and reassurance, even amidst life's storms. 3. Hardships are never wasted. Every challenge we face in life carries a hidden purpose, even when it feels unbearable. Hardships are never wasted because they shape our character, strengthen our resolve, and refine our faith. Just as gold is purified by fire, our souls are purified through trials. The difficulties we encounter teach us lessons that comfort and ease alone cannot provide. Struggles also help us develop patience and resilience. When we confront obstacles, we learn to navigate adversity with wisdom and composure. Each hardship equips us with tools to handle future challenges more effectively, and we often emerge stronger and more understanding than before. Additionally, hardships awaken gratitude within us. After experiencing pain or loss, we appreciate moments of comfort, joy, and success in ways we may have overlooked previously. Even the smallest acts of endurance during tough times hold significance in the eyes of Allah. Every tear shed, every effort made, and every prayer offered is recorded and valued. What may feel like wasted suffering is actually a step toward growth, spiritual elevation, and ultimately, divine reward. Recognizing this allows us to view life's challenges not as setbacks, but as meaningful opportunities for transformation. 4. Relief and peace take time. Relief and inner peace rarely arrive instantly. Life's challenges often require time to resolve, and Allah's wisdom dictates the perfect moment for ease to replace hardship. While it can be frustrating to wait, this period of waiting is not meaningless. It allows us to grow, reflect, and prepare ourselves for the blessings that are about to come. During this waiting period, we are encouraged to maintain hope and trust in Allah's timing. Just as seeds take time to sprout after being planted, the positive outcomes of our patience and perseverance also require time to manifest. Often, what we receive in the end is far greater than what we had imagined, but it could not have been possible without enduring the journey. Waiting also teaches us humility and reliance on Allah. It reminds us that not everything is within our control, and that seeking divine guidance and practicing patience are essential parts of our spiritual development. By understanding that relief will come in its appointed time, we cultivate a calm and hopeful heart, prepared to embrace peace fully when it finally arrives, knowing it is part of Allah's perfect plan. 5. Trust Allah's plan. Trusting Allah's plan is one of the most important aspects of facing life's challenges. While it's natural to feel anxious or uncertain when hardships arise, understanding that Allah's wisdom surpasses our limited perspective brings comfort. Everything in our lives, our struggles, our successes, and even the delays we experience occurs according to a divine plan designed for our ultimate benefit. When we trust in Allah, we acknowledge that He knows what is best for us, even when we cannot see it. This trust encourages patience, reduces anxiety, and strengthens our faith. Rather than becoming frustrated or discouraged by setbacks, we learn to accept them as part of a larger, purposeful design. Life's difficulties often carry lessons, guidance, or opportunities that we may not immediately recognize, but trusting in Allah allows us to remain calm and hopeful. Moreover, trust in Allah motivates us to continue striving and making efforts while leaving the outcomes in His hands. It reminds us that while we do our best, the results are ultimately controlled by the one who knows what is truly beneficial for us. Embracing this trust brings inner peace, resilience, and confidence that Allah's plan is perfect, even if it unfolds differently than we expected. 6. Patience is key. Patience is a cornerstone of faith and an essential quality for navigating life's trials. When faced with difficulties, it is easy to become restless or disheartened, but cultivating patience allows us to endure hardships with grace and resilience. True patience is not merely waiting passively. It involves maintaining hope, controlling emotions, and remaining steadfast in trust and faith while taking proactive steps toward improvement. Practicing patience helps us develop emotional and spiritual strength. It trains the heart to remain calm in the face of adversity and prevents despair from taking root. Moreover, patience allows us to respond wisely rather than impulsively, leading to better decisions and more constructive outcomes. It also deepens our reliance on Allah, as we acknowledge that ultimate relief and reward come from Him alone. The Quran emphasizes the virtue of patience, encouraging believers to remain steadfast during trials, assuring that those who are patient will be rewarded abundantly. By embracing patience, we not only survive challenges, but also grow spiritually, emotionally, and mentally. It becomes a guiding principle that transforms hardship into an opportunity for growth and prepares us to receive the peace and blessings that Allah has promised. 7. Your peace is coming. No matter how overwhelming your current struggles feel, it's important to remember that your peace is on its way. Life's hardships are temporary, and Allah has promised that relief will follow every difficulty. Often, the blessings that replace our pain are greater than anything we could have imagined, bringing comfort, joy, and a renewed sense of purpose. This upcoming peace may arrive in many forms: solutions to ongoing problems, restored relationships, emotional healing, or unexpected opportunities. Knowing that relief is certain allows the heart to remain hopeful and resilient, even in the midst of trials. It encourages continued patience, trust, and effort, preparing us to embrace blessings fully when they arrive. By holding on to hope and believing in Allah's mercy, we open ourselves to the comfort He has prepared. Remember, no struggle lasts forever, and every hardship carries the promise of eventual ease and tranquility. Remember, dear viewers, no matter how heavy your struggles feel, Allah is aware of every tear and every moment of patience. He is replacing your pain with peace, and your relief is on its way. Stay steadfast, trust His plan, and continue making dua. May Allah fill your heart with calm, grant you ease in every difficulty, and bless you with endless peace and happiness. If this message inspired you, share it with someone in need and subscribe to Purpose Deen for more uplifting reminders. Comment below with "Allah, grant me peace," to make this prayer yours today.